What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul, and it's time to carry on with the S25 Ultra right now. So I've been rocking the Caudabe sheath since doing the video. If you haven't seen the video, it's up here for you guys to check out, along with a full S25 Ultra playlist. I've been rocking the blue buttons on the side because now you can change the buttons on them, but I figured now it's time to carry on. We've got another Caudabe case video still to come. We got another one still to go as well, but this is the other one. This is the Paragon version. My wife is currently rocking the Ember on an iPhone 16 Pro Max, and the amount of comments we got while we were out in Orlando was unbelievable. The amount of comments on that case alone, unreal. People asking about it, people wanting to know who it was by, and of course it is the Paragon case. So we've got two colours right here. We've got the eucalyptus version, which is the green, and we've got the midnight. I'll show you the eucalyptus and then I'll just show you the midnight. But as you can see, taking it out the packaging, you get this eucalyptus elemental collection on the front with the eucalyptus leaves. It is in the same colour green. Prise this open. The entire box is in the green colour that the case comes in. Relax, you're covered, 1 year warranty, 30-day returns, all the usual. You get a eucalyptus elemental leaflet inside. So as you can see, elemental collection. If you want to pause that and read, please feel free to. But nice little card from Caudabe for the eucalyptus collection. So that's in the box right here. So no like little leaflet showing what they do. This is the midnight version. So I'm assuming it's just going to be the black colour. Yeah, it's just the black colourway. But there you go. So there's the little leaflet that I was on about. This is actually a different leaflet again. Minimalist Perfection. No leaflet on what that is, but Club Caudabe is the rewards program. Simply signing up will earn you 10 points. So join now. Use the QR code on the front right there. Join the rewards program. So there is the Paragon in the two colourways. There is another colour as well. There's the dusk version, which is the blue. I wish they would have sent that out to me because I would rock that case. There's the eucalyptus, there's the midnight, and of course you can go ahead and change the buttons on these as well. They do have button packs, which you can go and buy, and they come in many colours. And of course, as I said to you, on the sheath, I've been rocking the blue ones. You can obviously change these ones to the same or any other colour that they've got. I think I'll show you the midnight at the end, but let's go ahead and rock the eucalyptus colour. So inside, eucalyptus elemental collection, of course the MagSafe logo, so hopefully we've got MagSafe. Genuine Caudabe product, made with shock light, minimalist perfection. So there is the eucalyptus on the S25 Ultra. Let me know what you think in the comments. Now there's no Caudabe logo on the bottom like there is on the other ones, because it's right here, right on the base, right in the bottom corner. So that's completely different. Nice grip on the sides, and of course nice clicky buttons. There is a lip running all the way around the edge, and it's sort of upped on every single corner, so you can go ahead and place it face down and not have to worry. Those cameras are also nice and recessed into that housing, which looks really good. I mean, they are fully recessed into there, so you can go ahead and place it down and not have to worry about that neither, which looks fantastic. So what we'll do is let's bring in scale and let's weigh it with and without. So without is 52 grams, and then of course with is 281 grams. So that's what you're going to be putting inside your pocket. But nice clicky buttons, nice texture on the side right there on both sides, so nice and grippy. All the razors that you want to protect your phone. Of course, it's got shock light in it, so it's going to protect your phone from drops. And of course, you got your cutouts on the bottom right here with the Caudabe logo. So you got your cutout for your charge port, your mic, your speaker, and of course your S Pen. Nice and easy to get access to. No other cutouts on this side apart from, as I say, you got your buttons which you can take out, and your cutouts for your mics on the top right there. But let's have a look. So we get the battery pack. Slaps in, it's now charging, but of course because of that cutout design on the camera to make the raised lip, it does sort of hang off ever so slightly. But I mean, it is on there, but it's not coming off. But it is quite easy to take off. but it's not coming off, that's the main thing. So let's bring in the Nomad base stand and let's see how good it is. So if we slap it on, slaps on, it's now wirelessly charging, not a single issue for Caudabe cases whatsoever, works every single time. I mean, that's how strong it is, so no need to worry there. Not a bad weight, it is pretty weighty for what type of case, but it is going to protect your phone and it looks really, really good. Nice buttons on the side, of course you can change the colour, nice grippy texture. The back of course is smooth, but because of the grippy sides you've got nothing to worry about. I mean, unless you hold your phone like this, but then your pinky's going to block it anyway. And of course you've got MagSafe, so you can add your MagSafe accessories onto here. And if you've got a MagSafe pop socket, you know, you can add that to it too. And you've got all-round protection, you don't have to worry about anything really. But this, as I say, is quite smooth. I mean, there's texture there, but it is quite smooth. But I do like this a lot, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off and I'm going to show you the midnight version on the phone, just so you can see it for yourself. Because Abby, if you're watching this, send me the dusk. Send me the dusk. Black's just as nice too. If you're looking for just a simple, nice black case, nice texture on the back. I mean, it is smooth, as I say, but there's texture there. Nice grippy textured sides. Of course, you got the black buttons on this again, which you can swap out. Which one would you go for, or would you go for the dusk? I'll show you the dusk in an overlay. But which one would you go for? Would you go for the midnight? Would you go for the eucalyptus or the dusk? Let me know in the comment section down below. Once again, huge thank you to Caudabe for sending these over for us to take a look at and for me to show you guys. Of course, there is a full S25 Ultra playlist and there is already a Caudabe video on there with the sheet. And we've got another video still to go with the synthesis case. So stay tuned for that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn the notifications on so you don't miss future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, guys.